All right, guys. So it is nighttime right now, and I'm holding my phone, and I just put the camera in the back of the on top of my Tesla, and I walked away really far. And as you can see, really far, and you see the picture, and there's go my Frenchie, and that's my uncle. He's coming home from work. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be talking about this camera. So the brand is Dzees, and it's a smart security camera. The model number is CG6. So they were nice enough to send over for me to do a review on this one. And if you watch my channels, I've reviewed a few security cameras in the past. And this one is very compact, very portable. And as you can see right here, we're gonna do the unboxing of it, and I go over like briefly the how to download the app and the procedure, and then I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna install it onto my my garage, and then it's facing towards the street, and then we'll see some of the quality of the video and the pictures that it takes, and that's where we're gonna start. Okay, so first off, we're gonna unbox this thing. I actually opened it last night already, so, and I did the installation as well too. So it's just like any other manufacturers. It's come with a typical mount, 3 screws, and here you screw to the camera. That's the base mount right there, and it does come with a USB type A and USB type C connector, and it does come with all the screws that you need to install the base mount. And then the camera itself. So this is the camera, pretty nice and neat, compact. On the very bottom of it, there's like, you can loosen it, and then it has, you can install a micro SD card, which is really good because that way you can store all the data inside here, because you don't have to rely 100% on the cloud base. And I believe they do give you a cloud base as well too. And then it has a power button also for you to turn it on and activate it, right? So, and it does have this barcode, and what it comes with, the model number too, right there. Right, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So right now I'm going to explain to you how to do the installations. It's fairly easy. So you go to the app store, and whether you're Android or iOS, you download the Dzees app, and you open the app. Pretty basic, pretty simple. And then you have to, if you already have an account, then you already know what to do. But if you're brand new, then you have to create an account. Usually requires an email and your name. Excuse me. So once you put in your email, then you create the account. They're gonna send you a confirmation code. So for me, like, I actually hit it like 3 times, because the first time it said you wait 90 seconds. So then I read back on the help me, because I've been waiting for that thing, right? So it turned out that they sent to your spam folder. So make sure you check your spam folder. Okay, for some reason it's automatically sent to your spam. So, but once I went into my spam, and then it's like about 6 or 9 numbers code thing. You input an email to verify it, and you're good to go. And you just follow the prompt on the screen to add it. Add a camera, you add it, and there's a barcode on top of it, and you scan it, and then it's pretty straightforward on how to set the cameras. And here, each camera has a barcode on top. Okay, so to make sure you do that. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna install it. Also, make sure you charge the camera. This thing, you can use this thing for with 3 different types. One is you can fully charge it, and then you just let it record. If you don't use a lot of sensitive thing, it might last longer than if you were to like just send all kind of notifications. It depends on how you use it, right? And also, you can, with this one, you can connect it to a power source. Like for example, some other outlet that has like my wise camera. Behind each wise camera, it has an outlet for like like this. So I can extend that outlet into here and then use this as a direct power source. Or what you can do is you can buy a little 5 watts solar panel that will automatically charge it, and from there you don't have to worry about it. You can mount it any way you want. And so, but remember, this is a Wi-Fi camera, so you make sure you have it somewhere where it's closer to the Wi-Fi signal. Otherwise, the picture qualities will be staticky and not as great as it can be, right? So right now we're gonna go outside and we're gonna install it on to the garage, and we'll find out. All right, so this is my garage right here, and these are some of the hoses that I've already installed before. So I'm just gonna find ones with the existing ones, and then we're just gonna put the base on, simple like this. All right, and then we're gonna put on put the screws on, and then in the end we'll put them the camera. So it's pretty simple. 3 screws just tighten in there, and then it's all tight. Right, and then you lose this one right here, and then now we're gonna put in the camera. It's gonna be hard for me to record with one hand, so all right. So once you're done installing the base, you just need to screw on the camera, right? There you go. And then you're gonna use this right here to tighten it, right? To make sure you aim it to the level you want it. So now let's test it out. As you can see, I have a really long driveway, and right now, again, I'm just holding my camera and my cell phone, and I'm just walking all the way to the gate and next to the mailbox, and from there, I'm just gonna walk towards the camera. And I think this angle is just perfect because I get to see the street and the side and both sides really well for my neighbors. And as I come closer, you can see the picture quality is not bad at all. Right now I'm waving and I'm just saying hi. I did the screen recording so that way there's no voice in there. And I'm walking up the ladder and getting close to it. And I think I snapped a picture here as well too. And now, as you can see, the footage from my wife's camera. All right, so as you can see, this is the camera setting on the very top. The camera has been charged to 100%. And as of right now, it detects my daughter's motions and it recorded. And the status, it says online. And I put the location for this camera, just front door. And you can, if I click on the motions right here, it gives you like a way to control it. You can put low, medium, or high. So it depends on your preference. If you put it on high, it's gonna pretty much record and detects everything and record it for you. And duration, they give you 10 second, 15 second, and 20 seconds. And you can click onto recording settings, the cloud cool time, a minute. So however, this is right now set for a minute or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It's up to you. I'll just leave it at 1 minute. And also recording, motion detected, and then SD card cool down. Don't need to, just leave it like that. And they also have like sleep recordings. That's when the camera stop recording and use like schedule sleep and schedule settings. Right here, whatever time you want to set the cameras, we're gonna leave it as is. And we're gonna go back over here. Notification settings right here. Motion detections, check now, push to start, and light, attachment notification, activity here, all that stuff. And you go to alarm settings and audible alarm. So it's like after alarm sound is turned on, the camera will automatically sound an alert when the motion is triggered. We want to do that one in 5 seconds. Flashlight alarm. If the alarm flash feature is on, camera will automatically flash when the motion sense triggers. Just leave that on as well too. And when you click on the video settings, here we have it on standard or the HD. As you can see earlier, I formatted the 128 gigabyte, which is really good. And the rotate of the image is up to you. Here's the image in my living room where it's not quite dark, has a little light from the fish tank, but it's pretty dark. Here I'm in my office and I have the cameras facing me and I'm viewing it through the app. So as you can see, it's pretty clear. Not bad at all. So overall, the installation was fairly easy and downloading the app was easy too. And the quality, I also included a short video clip from my wife's camera. It's also 1080p. So that is for you guys' judgment. So, but as far as for the price wise, $46, and right now on Amazon there's like a 10% coupons on it too. So it make it the price even lower. So I think with that price and with the function and capability that it has, you know, I don't think you can go wrong with this camera. So, like I said, this would be good like for a barn, for a farm, for anywhere, like even like for if you have like a mailbox pretty far from your house and you want to, and if you've been if people been stealing your mail, you can put this out there as well too. And like I said, the installation is easy, everything is easy at all. Okay, so I'm gonna list all of the link, the descriptions of the cameras, just in case if you guys want to buy it and make it easier for you guys. And again, I am an Amazon affiliate partner, so I do get a little bit of money if you guys buy through the link. And I want to thank those of the people that already used the link because it does help out the channel a lot. Other than that, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about this camera, feel free to leave in the comment below. But other than that, take care and stay safe. Until next time.